In this video, we're going to talk about borders in Excel and using them for different reasons, and also just understanding what they do and how to activate them, how to turn them on, where to put them, all that good stuff. So most of them are right here. Most of your options about borders are right here, and you see it says no border. I'm going to select these cells, go here, and I'm going to use a lot of red borders in this video because I want it to be really easy to see the borders on this YouTube video. So I'm going to go here and select red. And right away when I do this, I have activated the drawing tool that draws borders. You can see I have this pen, and actually this one is going to draw like a grid of borders. And you can see it has done that, just that as I drag clicked. I can do this. I got borders all over the place. Now I don't really like any of those, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to unselect that. I'm going to click here. I'm going to say no border. By clicking on this, no border. Great, we got rid of them all. And now I can go back here again. Let's look at some of these other options. So I can select this. I can say, oh, I just want one on the outside. And you can see a red line on the outside of this cell, of this range. I can go here and I can say I want a thicker outline. Or I can go here and say I want all borders. All borders. You can see that going on right here. So you have a lot of control over that. The other way, I'm going to go here again and remove them all. Oh, I just added borders over the whole document. Look at that. I'm going to go here and remove them all. I also can do this using another dialog box, the Format Cells dialog box. You have complete control here over what you want to do. So let's say I wanted to add vertical lines just between the cells. I can go here, make these bright red. Make these vertical, hit OK, and now I've added only red lines between. So you have a good deal of control, and of course Format Painter is compatible with these two, so you can format paint the lines as well. So for this particular document though, what I'd like to do is add just nice thin black lines around these dates. So I'm going to select this whole area here, and I'm going to I can just go into here. I'm going to change this to be black, auto. And then go back in here, and I'm going to change the line style, leave that to be thin, and I'm going to select all borders. So now we have nice, just black lines around these. Now you may be wondering about how to get rid of these gray lines here, and there's two ways to go about it. One way is in here, you can go into view, and you can actually just unselect them, and now they have vanished. The other way to go about it, there's kind of just two ways to do the same thing. The other way is to go here and actually give this a solid color, and in this case it'd be white. So I can make this white. I can click here, go all the way to the bottom of the document, make that white, go here, go to the end, there's a few more over here, and make this white. And now that's just another way to make the grid lines disappear. Now the grid lines had a purpose, right? Because they kind of split up the document, made it kind of easier to find things. So if you want to control, though, the grid lines, it's better almost to remove them, because then you can control what kinds of lines you actually want, and you can make it look however you want it to look. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add very faint lines, only horizontal lines, over the course of this range, so that it's a little easier to read. In Format Cells, I'm going to go in here, select just a faint dotted line, make it a light gray, make it just horizontal. And there you go. So we have kind of the best of both worlds. We have some lines there to help you kind of line things up, no pun intended. But we don't have the vertical lines because we really don't need the vertical lines in this particular case. They're not very helpful. Okay, great. So that covers everything we need to know about borders. And please feel free to comment, subscribe to the channel. Please send me any questions you might have, and have a great day.